When I started this series, I wanted to explore how a single word can change the way we see life. But then, as I moved from choice to perception, the third title just came to me instantly. I realized words don't live alone, they are connected. And the third word that's closely knit to perception and choice is reality. Welcome back to Unverse It, and this is your host, Swati Shinoy, who will take you through the journey where we slow down, take one word, and look at it a little closer. Thank you so much for tuning into the previous episodes. Feels so good to pronounce the S in the end of the episode. Today's word is reality. It's what we see and what we create. It's so fascinating because when we see reality, it's as if it's the done deal. That's it. It's the full stop to everything that we ever wanted, dreamt, or expected. It's like an absolute unshakable pillar. But truth to be told, nothing is as ever changing as a reality. And the best part is, we create our own reality with our choices, our perceptions, and our thoughts. Let's take a moment to understand how these three words, perception, choice, and a simple thought, can bend our reality. Now imagine this. Every day begins with a simple thought, a passing idea, or a tiny notion. What happens next depends entirely on how we see it. And that's what's called a perception. Based on that perception, we make a choice. A choice that finally and eventually shapes our reality. So, no, reality is not something that just happens. It's made real through our thoughts, our perception, and our choice. Take something as simple as a rainy day. For one person, it's gloomy, grey skies, traffic jams, and damp clothes, full of complaints. For another, it's cozy, a book in a hand, a cup of tea, a sound of rain playing like a soft music in the background, a day filled with gratitude. Now, if you see, rain is the constant factor in both, but how we perceive it changes how we feel it, and how we feel it decides how we live it. We can choose rain to be a background actor instead of playing the main role in our reality. So, when we choose to see beauty instead of boredom, calm instead of chaos, gratitude instead of complaint, we are not just changing a mood, we are quietly rewriting our reality. Let me tell you a story, the one that reminds me how delicate and surprising reality really is. In 2010, a man named Chris Koch from Canada was born without arms or legs. He once said, "If you can't laugh at yourself, you're missing the biggest joke life's ever told." Most people might perceive this situation as tragic, but when you hear him speak, there is no trace of self pity. He works on a farm, rides tractors, surfs, skis, and even travels giving motivational talks, all with a simple smile that could light up a room. When someone asked him how he stays so positive, he simply said, "This is my reality. I can't change it, but I can decide how I show up in it." That line always gives me chills because it's the purest form of acceptance, not resignation, but grace. He didn't deny his reality, he redefined it. I think that's the secret most of us miss. Reality doesn't change when life gets better, it changes when we do. We choose to see our life differently, feel differently, and think differently. When we stop resisting what is, we start working with it. When we stop wishing things were different, we begin to see the beauty in what already is. Sometimes what feels like a chaos is just life rearranging itself to make room for something new. That heartbreak, that delay, that unexpected turn, it might not make sense right now, but maybe it's the part of our realignment, not our ruin. Reality, after all, is not what happens to us, it's what we make of it. So maybe ask yourself right now, what part of your reality feels hard? And what if, instead of fighting it, You look for what it's trying to teach you and flow with it instead of against it. Sometimes the lesson isn't in changing the situation, it's in changing your thoughts. Because the world doesn't always shift to match our hopes, sometimes we have to shift. Life, as we say, doesn't always hands us comfort. Sometimes it hands us growth. And when we realize that, even our pain starts to make sense. Our perception shifts. So maybe reality isn't fixed. Maybe it's something we can co create moment by moment through our choices, our courage, through our willingness to see light even when there is a darkness. It's all about what we choose to believe because when you ask and believe it, you will receive it in the reality. Today, I'm grateful for all the realities that broke me open, for the ones that taught me patience, and for the ones that quietly healed me without asking for applause. Because in the end, reality is not about control, it's about connection. So take a moment today and ask yourself, what reality are you creating? That's it for today's episode. Thank you for listening to Unverse It. The word was reality. I'll see you next time. Hope I'm leaving you with a spark of curiosity and a dash of inspiration. Keep rewriting your reality. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with someone who needs to hear it. Keep dreaming big, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.